Bitcoin is trading around the $28,000, but I still don't think it's the right time to buy. Let's find out why. Okay, I'm Jake from Simply Traders. Every weekend we broadcast Forex, stock market, and crypto market updates. So make sure you subscribe if you are interested in the financial market. Let's get into Bitcoin. So daily chart, you can see we're still trading around this 28,000 area. We had a rejection, definitely had a rejection around this under 29,000, but it's not, dropping as much as I like to. It's going to be a hard sell, so I think it will break eventually break this 25 as well. And then back down to around, I think 22,000 area would be an area that I like to buy. So around the 21, 22. So this area. So a big spike down one more time. I'll be buying around this area anyway. So for longer term. And I'll be looking to buy some of the crypto stock as well. If you'd like to know what stock I'm going to buy, follow me on Facebook because I'll be much more active on posting what I like to buy and sell on Facebook daily, or much more active than YouTube. YouTube will be just weekly planning. Moving on to Ethereum, is more bearish than Bitcoin. It rejected around the 1800 area or 1750 double top around this area. Now it's just ranging, so it's hard for me to sell, but eventually I like to see it break lower back down to around the 1300 area. Then I'll look to be a buyer. So I like to see this break and a big spike down, then double bottom. I will be looking to buy. So something like that around this area. You don't have to buy everything and buy some here, buy some, and then wait for a break or something on the weekly for the remaining bid, or all that. So but ultimately I'm still bullish long term. The short term, I see the crypto market have a little bit more correction to come. Do you agree with me? If you do have any question, drop me a comment. Otherwise, see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching.